evening quiz. Today I will teach you about solar system. In this solar system we have 8 planets and one big star. It's called Sun. Now let's see Sun first. Sun is the biggest star, and it is very hot. It's hot like lava or fire. And that is the Sun. And this small planet called Mercury. This Mercury is small. It looks like the smallest planet. Mercury is so close to the Sun. Mercury will close to the Sun, so when you drive to Mercury, you will feel so very hot because it's close to the Sun, alright? The next one is Venus. Venus is bigger than Mercury. I always say the size. Venus is bigger than Mercury, and we can see Venus at the night sky. But one problem is we can see stars with Venus around it or near it. So we think Venus is a star. Venus not a star. Venus is a planet. You can see it at the night time. Try to see it. The star is brighter than Venus. Venus is close to the Sun too, and you will see it brighter than the star. Okay? The next one is Earth. Earth is our house, like my house and your house. It can call Goldilocks planets, like the little girl named Goldilocks go to 3 bear houses. That is Earth. Earth has waters in it and some lands. Water is a blue color and land is a white color. Can you see it? Maybe yes. The next one is Mars. Mars is red and it's farther than the Sun. It's smaller than Earth, smaller than Venus, and bigger than Mercury. In future, you can come to Mars too, and I like it. I am waiting for it, just in future, not in this year. The next one is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system, not bigger than the Sun. Can you see some lines of Jupiter and the big dots of Jupiter? I think you can see it. First, the lines of this, I will call it the winds, blows very hard. And for this big dots, that means it has a big storm in Jupiter. Jupiter is the gas planet, so you can't live in it because it has no air to breathe. Next one is Saturn. Saturn has so pretty rings around it. The rings of Saturn are made from dirt, rocks, and ice. When you want to come to Saturn, You must be careful because I don't want you bumps into the rings. And the rocks of it you think is so small, but not smaller than that, bigger than you. And next one is Uranus. Uranus is blue, and in it, I think it will have snow in it. Blue is it called is it's called cold. I just think like that. Maybe you have more. And the last one is Neptune. Neptune, it have a big storm like Jupiter. There's a little big storm in it. I just know Uranus and Neptune have a mountain too. And that is all the planets and one big star of the solar system. You must be careful about Jupiter, Neptune, and Saturn. You remember it? Says aloud with me. Jupiter has a big storm and a hard wind. Saturn has a pretty rings, but be careful about rocks, ice, and dirt. Rocks will bump into you, or you will bump into rocks. Neptune, it has a big storm, so you must be careful. Can you say it? Yes, you can. But I have one beautiful and some questions. Do you know the Uranus go like this way, not like this way? Uranus have a different ways called directions. The scientists think it have some planets. It will attack to Uranus and it will have a big boom. But you live in Earth, so you can't hear it. Then Uranus have a rings too, but it's free, like that. So that is all in the solar system. I say with you, must be careful with Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune. You must remember, and it's when you want to go to space. Goodbye, everybody. See you next time.